Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to talk about something we all love, weekend plans. We'll share what we're up to this weekend, and we'll also help you learn some great English vocabulary for talking about your own weekend plans.
That's right. Whether you're staying at home, going out with friends, or just relaxing, we've got some awesome phrases and vocabulary to help you talk about your weekend in English. Let's dive right in.
All right, so Emma, what do you usually have planned for your weekends? Are you a stay-at-home kind of person, or do you like to go out and be active?
Well, it really depends on my mood. Some weekends I like to just chill at home. Maybe I'll watch a movie, read a book, or catch up on my favorite TV series. But other weekends I like to be more active and explore. I might go for a hike, try a new restaurant, or meet up with friends. How about you, Ben? What's your usual weekend routine?
I'm pretty similar. On Saturdays, I usually like to sleep in a little bit. I don't wake up early like during the week. Then I'll grab some breakfast and maybe go for a run or hit the gym. I think it's important to start the weekend with some exercise. After that, I like to relax, watch a movie or maybe do some gaming. Sundays are usually more for spending time with family or friends. Sometimes I'll go to a coffee shop to just relax and people watch. What about Sunday for you?
Sundays are my relaxation day. I usually start the day with a nice, slow breakfast, maybe pancakes or avocado toast, and a good cup of coffee. Then I'll either spend the afternoon doing chores like cleaning or organizing, or I'll head out to the park for a walk. If I'm feeling social, I'll meet up with friends for brunch or go to a nearby cafe for some good conversation. Sundays are perfect for recharging and getting ready for the week ahead.
That sounds wonderful. I think it's really important to have a mix of relaxation and productivity on weekends. It makes you feel both rested and accomplished when the week starts.
Exactly. And when I have the chance, I love to explore new things on weekends. For example, I love checking out local markets or festivals. This weekend, I'm actually planning to visit a farmer's market. I love supporting local vendors and picking up some fresh produce. Do you like to visit markets on the weekend, Ben?
Oh, I love a good market. They're perfect for finding unique things and supporting small businesses. I'm actually planning to go to a food festival this weekend. I'm really excited to try some international food. There's going to be a lot of street food options. And of course, I'll grab a coffee while I'm there.
That sounds amazing. I'm always a fan of trying new food and enjoying street food. It's such a great way to experience the local culture, and you get to try delicious dishes that you wouldn't normally make at home.
Exactly. Food is such a great way to experience a new place or just enjoy something different on the weekend. After that, I'm thinking of going for a bike ride along the beach. I love being outdoors, especially when the weather is nice.
Oh, that sounds so relaxing. I love bike rides, especially near the coast. The fresh air, the sound of the waves, it's the perfect way to unwind. Maybe I should try that this weekend too.
You totally should. And speaking of outdoor activities, I'm also planning to check out a local park. There's going to be a yoga class in the morning, and I've been meaning to try it for a while now. It's such a great way to stretch and feel more centered before the day gets busy.
Oh, I love yoga. It's so good for both your body and mind. I should join you sometime. That sounds like such a nice way to start the weekend. After all that exercise, I bet you'll feel energized for whatever comes next.
Absolutely. And after the yoga class, I might head to a coffee shop to meet up with some friends. We'll probably chat about the week, share some laughs, and maybe get a cappuccino or a latte. It's always nice to have a relaxed coffee catch up.
That sounds perfect. I love those laid back catch up sessions with friends. It's a great way to recharge and connect with people. And speaking of coffee, do you have a favorite drink for weekends?
Oh, definitely. On weekends, I like to treat myself to a mocha or a flat white, something a little sweeter than usual. What about you, Emma? What's your go-to weekend drink?
I'm usually a latte person, but on weekends, I sometimes go for a caramel macchiato or even a cold brew if I need an extra energy boost. Coffee shops are such a nice place to relax and enjoy some quiet time on weekends.
Oh, totally. Coffee shops really have that relaxed atmosphere, and they're great for spending time alone or meeting up with friends. I think I'm going to make it a weekend tradition to visit a new cafe every month. That way I get to explore more of the local spots.
That's a great idea. It's always fun to discover new places to hang out. You can also try different pastries or desserts at each place. Just another reason to visit more cafes.
Yes, and maybe I'll try a new type of tea this weekend. I love switching it up sometimes. Herbal teas are perfect for relaxing, especially on Sunday afternoons.
Oh, I love herbal teas too. They're so calming. I usually have some chamomile tea or green tea in the evening to wind down before bed.
So many options to explore. I think the weekend is the perfect time to try something new, whether it's a food, drink, or an activity. It's all about having fun and enjoying the time you have.
Exactly. Weekends are meant to be a balance of relaxing and being a bit adventurous. It's the perfect time to recharge and also try new things or spend time with people you enjoy.
Well, I'm feeling excited for the weekend already. I hope everyone watching this video is looking forward to their weekend too.
That's it for today's podcast, folks. We hope this conversation about our weekend plans has inspired you to make the most of your weekend.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got more fun and helpful lessons coming your way to help you improve your English.
And leave us a comment below. Tell us what your weekend plans are, or share any fun activities you love to do on weekends. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks so much for joining us today. Enjoy your weekend, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone, and don't forget to make time for fun and relaxation this weekend.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.